Dave has fetched us down to this absolutely stunning beach park club, and we've got a couple of caves that we're going to explore. Some little birds over there.
Baby gannets.
Baby gannets. And we're going to be hermits for the night. Might just kip in a cave. Do you want to kip in a cave, Dave?
Only if I've got a tent and a TV. And a settee and a bed.
No, we can't do that. Can't do that.
Got my own chair, but...
Janet, you'll be alright in here. Oh, you can stand up in the middle. You alright there? Sit on a throne over there.
Your phone ping then?
No,
Mine.
did.
You must have a signal here then.
Yeah,
I haven't.
I don't know how.
You've got a signal inside the rock.
I haven't.
Right, getting out now without flashing your head.
You do that. See if we can get out without Janet smacking her head. I've got sand in my frigging shoes already. Now doing this is obviously only advisable when it's low tide, like it is now. Just going round to this other cave is not advisable unless you can swim really well and don't mind being bashed by rocks. Let's have a look in the
Yeah.
see if we can find any life, but not as we know it, Jim.
You have to move the rocks.
Dave's going to see if we can.
There's
Oh.
a dead one there. Oh, there's only one fish.
Fish down there.
A fish.
Not a
It's a
fish.
shrimp.
Shrimp.
There, yeah. There it is.
Shrimpy.
Dead crab.
Oh, we don't want dead crabs. Shrimp.
If you don't like frogs, you don't like crabs neither.
Why? Because they move sideways. Dave's going to jump in.
No. You're not going to jump in. Probably might fall in.
I might fall in, yeah. And we see anything?
Water.
But probably not see anything because it.
See some snails.
Yeah,
Lots of snails.
plenty of snails in there.
There will be something on here.
Well,
And another big pool. See, now if I had my other GoPro and I put it on its stick, I could
GoPro on
shove it
stick.
in. But I had a problem with my other SD card. It kept corrupting. So therefore I'm down to one GoPro. So the GoPro that I use for everything else, that doesn't have a microphone on it, where I would normally stick it in there, I can't use it. There's a couple of caves over there. Oh, that looks like a big one over there, doesn't it?
I don't think the tide might actually be coming in.
You'll be right.
Eh?
You'll be right.
The
You're right, there is water over there. Oh, I thought you meant there.
No, there's water there.
Well, we'll have to look at the caves quickly then, mate.
Let's go in the caves before we get to a situation. No, we're not going in the cave. We can't go in it. It's on its way in. Tide's on its way in. Which girl? She turned into a mermaid. She turned into a mermaid and swam out at sea.
Not really.
Are you sure? You mean to say you think I'm telling porky pies? Right, this is as far as I'm going at the minute because the tide's on its way in. And I'm not venturing down there when the tide's on its way in. Oh, see, here it comes. So we shall vacate this area. And go to a bit which dry. And where have these two gone? I think these two have found another cave. Well, did I get that on camera then?
Did you get that on camera?
Well, I had the camera pointing this way, but it might have just... Let's put it this way, if it's on camera, we'll zoom into it. Yeah. This is where it was slipping. No. Don't be silly. Shouldn't go in caves.
Don't go in caves?
No. Just don't like going in caves. Scary. No jellyfish. Oh, smooth cave's alright. No, it's not. It's no waterfall. What's down here? What's down here? I've got a feeling that eventually he's going to get bigger and bigger. Oh, what an absolutely cracking place this is. Well worth a visit. So the tide's on its way in, so we're not going to be staying around this bit. I don't fancy having to climb up there. I mean, there is a bit of a path, but I don't want to do that. So we're heading back round to where the vans are, just round there. Dave has just spotted this. What have you spotted down here, Dave?
A wild creature. Very colourful.
What is it? Oh, look at, be careful, Dave. Careful, might eat you.
Might bite you.
All we can get. Right, me and Dave we're just going to have a look, see if we can get to a cave which is just over there. And you can only do this when tide's out, because it's there. It's on its way out, so we're alright. So we're going to attempt this. If we get there and I've got enough battery left, I'll show you. Well, we've made it to this little cove. Not going in because it's a little bit damp. Don't know how far it goes in.
No. A little bit.
It goes in.
It's not very much so solid.
No. Yeah, we're not going in there.
So it made it like John's cave or something like that.
Yeah. Well, John can keep his cave.
Yeah, you can. See you, John.
Yeah. We've had a scramble. And by the looks of these rocks here, looks like any time some of that lot can come down anyway. I mean, I know it looks like a bit of an easy walk, but I didn't show you the scrambly bit. Right, we're on our way back now. We've seen John's cave. John can keep his cave. And if you look back to previous video where we went to see Boa Fiddle Rock, which is actually not so far from here. Oh. It's a nice sort of area there. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Just in there. This is the sort of rock that we had to climb over, which when we get there, you've got a full signal. Let's check my phone. Nope, still no signal. Oh, by the way, where we are, if you're on all 2, right at this very spot,
Full signal.
you'll get a full signal. But if you're on 3, you'll get bugger all.
If you go 20 yards that way, you get nothing.
Yeah. So if you ever want to ring somebody, when you're here, I'm not going to tell you where it is because everybody will come and it'll spoil it. So you just have to guess.
Somewhere in Scotland.
Yeah. You find out where this spot is, you're on or 2, you'll have full phone signal. But if you're on 3, nothing. So we're going to scramble back that way. Well, we're going to take the easy bit first and then scramble. Right, let's show you the scramble back that we had to come here. It was up here, weren't it? Oh, you're going easy way? Is there an easy way around there?
The tide's gone out now, a bit further, so.
Dave's found the easy route.
Yeah. It's easy, that one.
And I know I don't say this very often, because I don't like asking. Just hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later.